we go with a taste test.
Air fry.
Yeah.
Taste test. And what are these called?
Lumpia.
Lumpias. Crunchy. Nice crunch.
Come on.
Oh
Hang on,
yeah.
hang on.
Not as greasy either. Look at the meat.
That's it.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Go.
Let me taste.
You hear that sound?
It's good. Not as greasy either.
What about the taste?
It's good.
Does it taste like
You know,
grease?
sometimes when you fry them, the meat inside gets a little hard. This doesn't. I like them. Quick and not messy.
Don't have to clean up all of that cooking oil.
All right.
And it's easy, 10 minutes.
Everybody needs to try it.
10 minutes.
Actually, really good. Nice flavor. Give it a thumbs up. Taste test approved.